Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share the Sterling Ink January 2025 subscription. If you do, welcome. I do journal and planner videos and crafty videos, and I'm super excited to be unpackaging this Sterling Ink 2025 subscription. Last year I did 2024. I was super excited because I haven't seen any sneaks. So I'm not going to put it on the thumbnail because if you want to be surprised, I want people to be surprised. But I am super excited because I was looking forward to seeing what the theme is going to be. Last year was a fun, like, kind of galaxy theme. So I'm curious what January 2025 has to offer. So that's why this month I did the deluxe kit. And oh my goodness, there's already a little peek. So, let's go ahead and do the unpackaging. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do for my subscription because I may just, I'm torn between doing Cocoa Daisy and Sterling Ink. So that's why I wanted to see the Sterling Ink Deluxe. It is a good price point for all the stuff that you get. So, it is tight this month. I kind of mutilated this package. I should have gotten a slicer or something, but here we go. Oh, and I think I am gonna like this month's theme. It is so different. Let's go ahead. Let's start with what we get in the little black envelope. And then, oh, it's already open, which is fine. Let's go ahead and look at the pretty sticker. That is beautiful. See, these are the kind of kits that make me not want to give up my Sterling Ink. Because I do like Sterling Ink. I may just give up my Cocoa Daisy and just go Sterling Ink. Look at how beautiful that sticker is. Let's see how we can do this. Oh, put it on here. That is gorgeous. I'm going to be using these for my journals. You do get so much. Oh, this is a beautiful kit. I won't keep saying that. I'll just go straight to it. You get your tabs. I like how she gives the extra little stickers. It kind of gives an example. So this is, oh, deco tabs. Now that is new. Let's see, can you see that? Okay. And then the January, well, I'll hold it like this. This is so cute. In your calendar, 2025. And then you get like a business card style. So I'm probably going to use this as a tip-in. I may actually give up my Cocoa Daisy after all these years and do Sterling Ink. I really like, let's see, where should we do? Oh, let's do the vellum. I am so curious about the vellum. Here's this beautiful vellum. Oh, I love those colors. Turn it anyway. That is so pretty. And this other vellum. Oh my goodness, look at the art supplies. Oh, she has outdone herself. So cute. Oh, it does go this way. Okay, I am loving this. All right, so those are the two vellums, and you get the month. This is a B6, which I am using B6. That's the monthly calendar, which she should be coming out with the freebie soon. And then the date and day stickers. And I am excited to see what the deluxe kit has to offer because I have never done deluxe. So, oh, so we get 2 of these? Is that just with the deluxe? Oh, nice. One is like in cursive writing, like cursive script. One is just, almost looks like typed. That is nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the different stickers. I like the artwork in this one. This is so cute. Look at those stickers. And here's more. I don't know if she revamped or anything because like I said, I've never gotten the deluxe kit. But you do get 2 of these. Hold on. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. So you always get 2 of these, like a border type. Looks like an art studio office. Okay, now I'm glad I got the deluxe kit. And these right here, you get your days and your months. And then this is what I'm looking forward to. Oh, look. Oh, that almost looks kind of like paint swatches and tags and frames. Okay, I think she has won me over. Then you have what is these, like, almost looks like postage stamps. And kind of torn edges. And this is like a washi strip, which is interesting because Cocoa Daisy does that too in their deluxe kit. So you can cut these up and make like washi strips. I like this. I'm seriously thinking of keeping Sterling ink because you get a lot for the price. Cocoa Daisy too, but I think I want something different. So we will see. My next video, I'm actually going to be sharing my budget for 2025. I am putting myself on a budget for craft shopping. So if you're new, welcome. If you want to stick around and see how I do for my my spending for 2025 for my art supplies, then go ahead and you can subscribe, or if you come across my videos, just click on it so you can see how I'm doing. And I also want to know if you're also doing a crafty budget for 2025. So thanks so much for stopping by and watching. Once again, that is the beautiful Sterling Ink January 2025 kit. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.